Hi, this is Ajay Jangir in this video and you are watching Jogi and You. Today I'm back with the intelligence test and the problem I came with was a very popular once a time. It got millions of likes and shares that time and it was a most famous mathematical problem on the internet. So how to solve this problem? Will we solve it with algebra or will we solve it with usual plus minus? So let's see what question we have. The question is, just look at these combination of numbers. Can you find a pattern in these numbers? And if you find that pattern, then pause the video and comment that pattern in the comment box. If you found any pattern in this, that's very good. But if you don't, then just let's get back to the question. And this intelligent test has been shared on internet just like Facebook and Twitter more than millions of times. And a tagline had been very famous on internet that if you understand this, you have a genius IQ more than 150 points. So by the way, Creative Corner's timeout is back in new avatar. Learn creative thinking and problem solving from our amazing educators. If you have ever wanted to try out something outside the academic like doodling or magic, then this is your chance. And the most exciting part, you can win a subscription for Creative Corner by submitting us a video of yourself recreating something that you learned in time out seasons. The date is 31st January and the time is 9 am onwards. All the links are given in the description. Register now. So let's get back to the question. If you see it carefully, it was a very popular problem on the internet once, and if you solve it, then you have a genius IQ more than 150 points. So friends, see how to solve this question. First of all, just take aside this question. And our actual question is a plus b is equals to 1, 2, 3. And we have to find the value of a and b. And now we see the pattern carefully. What condition we have? On the left side we have two numbers with plus and in the right side any another number. Just like 6 plus 4 is equals to 210 and then 9 plus 2 is equals to 711 and so on. So the roughly pattern we got from this is we have any two numbers on the left side with a relation from which we get the right side number. And our question figure is from these patterns. We took a and b for the patterns number. So our question will be a plus b is equals to if 1, 2, 3 and then find the value of a and b separately. So what value we should put in a and b so the result of that comes same as 1, 2, 3 according to this pattern. So generally you do hit and trial. You place something on the place of a and b and do plus and minus and then calculate the answer. But today we will solve it algebraically. And then I will tell you another combination. So watch the video till the end without skipping any part. So now, if we sum all these plus series, just like 6 plus 4 is 10, 9 plus 2 is equals to 11, 8 plus 5 is 13, and we sum all these numbers like this, then we got the last portion of the result. If you see, all these green numbers you see, all are the sum of these left side numbers. And the grey numbers we have, how to get that numbers? If we subtract these numbers with each other, like we did 6 plus 4, but now if we did 6 minus 4, then we will got 2. So this is 2. 9 minus 2 is equals to 7, that means this is 7. 8 minus 5, that means 3 and so on. So the subtraction of both numbers give us the blue part of the result. Many of you have started calculating it directly, but we have algebraic method. So for that, see this. We took the question to the right side. Here we got a plus b from the left side and the condition of the result we have. First part we got a minus b and second part we got a plus b. So we will do our calculation according to this formula. So just keep this aside. We have a plus b is equals to 1, 2, 3. 1 is in blue color and 23 is in green color. So that we can differentiate between left part and right part. So our a minus b was 1 and a plus b was 23. And if we add both of these equations, then here we have plus 2a equal to 24. And after solving this, we have a is equals to 12 and then replacing the value of a in any of these equation, we have b is equals to 11. So definitely our answer will be 12 and 11, which is 123. So this was the algebraic method to solve this. So now if we make any another combination of this, then what will be our result? So what if we change the pattern to solve this question? For this, just take this combination. But firstly, we took 1 as another combination and 23 as another combination. But now we are taking 12 as a combination and 3 as another combination. So with this combination, we have a minus b is equals to 12 and a plus b is equals to 3. And as we did before, if we add both these equations, we have 2a is equals to 15. And after calculating, we have a is equals to 7.5. And if we replace the value of a in any of these equation, then we will got the b, which is minus 4.5. So according to this, our answer will be 7.5 and minus 4.5. So it totally depends upon the series of the question that should we use this value or that value. See the pattern of question carefully and understand it. So friends, if you do like this method or if you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for such more videos. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.